Hello everyone, 1 second I will alert that my stream is on. Let me turn on some music in the background. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay. Let me see. Hello. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about cryptocurrency, stock market, etc. As always. So first of all, sorry for delay. I had like some issue with my internet. I fixed it, thank God. We're gonna talk about BTC as always, like some cryptocurrency. BTC currently like went down. If you like open like daily and weekly time frame, if it closes like in green candle, it will be like really bullish, etc. But this is not the point. The point is ALTs. We can look at Ethereum like went down. So when ALTs went down, Ethereum like 12%, some like meme coins such as meme went down about like 30%. In the moment it went down like up to 50%, like this one, right? So it was a huge drop, and it probably was like last correction before like next pump. Right now we're in a few like positions. First position, it's on EEG. This is in our like private server. What I have trading. Link for it I will link in the chat. Also you can find it on our server and on the main page on our YouTube channel. It's a classic consolidation, like little manipulation. It's a very common setup right now. You see like a lot of people see here like breakouts, they started getting in, but it's like a fake breakout, and then we're going like to like test like a fair value gap, and then this is like a real breakout, especially with PDDL rate and break of market structure. So like our entry, my special entry was right here, but I announced it like a bit higher. Also sorry for my voice, a bit like sick. Then like most of the coins have the same chart. We have a list of coins that we're going to invest in, and probably we will send a list of it in our Discord server in the VIP section, but we'll send like also same place in free section. That's it like for crypto market, like nothing special happens here. Next one is DXI. On DXI we had like perfect rate, like a lot of people started like shorting here to like previous like a weekly low, or like lower to fill this like fair value gap, but it was a trap, and I'm currently know about like maybe 80 or 90% people like got into this trap. I myself like almost got into this trap, but because of my risk management strategy and strict rules, I like avoided it. I couldn't open this position because I was considering this might be like rate with like reversal, and this is what exactly happened. Then on Friday I saw, no, it wasn't on Thursday, I saw like SMT divergence on between DXI in Euro, and it like pumped up. As you can see here, it still wasn't in use. What can happen next? We got you covered. This is DPS analysis on DXI. So we have a huge this Ferrari gap that hasn't been like tested properly. It's like you can see it on 3 days, but it's weekly as well. Also, we had like 2 deviations, test of the deviations, which is extremely like bullish setup, and next direction will be only up, probably till this like Ferrari gap. It means like all USD pairs except Swiss franc will go down, but it's in long term. If we're talking about like midterm and short term, so like midterm we still have like fair value gap on the XI that has to be filled. Like let me show you it. So this one, this is like fair value gap that has to be filled, right? Also we have like we will have like previous weekly high here, and we have like 2 scenarios. Like first scenario, it's it will like go up and down, or we will straight down without taking liquidity from the top, which is let me mark it, which is there. 1 second. Which is this high, so it can be something like this, and then we'll pump, or we will go like straight down on the XI, test this fair value gap, and then pump. Keep in mind, next week first like 3 days will be extremely slow because like no news, nothing, and market won't move. Probably it's like only some news like on Euro, but in general like no, nothing special. So we will have like very like slow week, but in my opinion it's like better than crazy like moves that we have on news, because you can enter like on the news, otherwise you will be like annihilate. Okay, and we will go on 1 hour time frame, and you can see here like everything is clear. Like same, nothing like picture like didn't change. Also we have a breaker right here and right here, which is like also 0.5 on FIB. Let me mark it as well. Yeah. So just need to set alert right there, and we're good to go. Good to go to Euro. By the way, if we have like any questions, feel free to ask. I will be here like for a bit, but after I'm done with like indexes analysis on stock market, I will turn on the stream because it's a bit late already. So Euro, it's a complete mirror picture. But previous weekly low a bit like far away. We also have equal lows right here, so in my opinion if like first target will be probably this highs and test of this fair value gap, and we will keep going all over because this equal lows, like previous monthly low. So tons of liquidity here, and we just got like a reversal as well. If we go on daily time frame, actually let me show you what Pavel, like he already did analysis. So this is like 2-day time frame. We're like in a huge range. We had test of the deviation, so completely like big mirror of this of on a euro compared to DXI. Then if we check like 4-hour time frame, we have a huge amount of liquidity, as I said, with previous monthly low as a target, and fair value gap that has to be tested as well. But again, we tested like this fair value gap on like 4 hours. Like it's been like retested. It was fair value gap like from the beginning of 2024, and as you can see, a price like touch like this like already like 2 or 3 times, so it won't have like any weight in like price action. But we also got market shift here on high time frames. As you can see here, we had like this market shift with fair value gap, so it means we have like a downtrend on high time frames. Let me show it to you. Yeah, like this one. This is our higher high, and you see we didn't get higher from previous higher high. It means lower like time frame structure already was broken. I will mark it for you. I don't need it, but I'm doing it for you guys. This is market shift. It's actually like break of market structure, market shift, whatever. Some people like separate like market shift and break of market structure. Like for me, it's potato, so it doesn't matter like to me. This is like liquidity basically, and this is like we have like downtrend. All we have to do right now is just like wait for previous like daily high being taken, and then it will go. It's like for a long term, but you get the idea, I hope. This low will be the target. Maybe even lower, by the way. Maybe even lower. I don't know. But in my opinion, this is like will be like first target. In forex market, you don't need to make like huge analysis for like months ahead, because you're intraday most of the time. You just need to like make a profile for entire week. That's it. Okay, this is here. Okay. Yeah, but completely the same picture, like on lower time frame. We have also equal lows, so like right, this will equal lows and this like double equal lows. It also will be like previous, like weekly low, but I'm pretty sure we will have like some reaction, of course. But at first, like this low has to be taken. Price action a bit like clearer right now on this. In this area, let me show it to you. It wasn't that clear, as you can see, but it only get ugly when euro like reverse. Let me show you, like especially like this zone. It was ugly as fuck, because I remember I've been trading here. Also like one more like reversal before we bumped. On 4 hours it looks like okay, but if you go on 1 hour, it was ugly as fuck, like this one. This like reversal was like awful, in my opinion. Okay. One else, like what we have here. This is gold. Gold been in consolidation for almost like 3 years. And it like broke consolidation. So this like this low. Let me open it in weekly. This low right here. It was like test. It was last tests before like pump. I didn't consider like pump here because it wasn't a clear picture because of this like equal highs that had been taken, and I was thinking that we will go lower, and also gold was clearated with USD. Not anymore. Oh, hello Enrico, hello. It's not correlated with gold anymore, and all gold always been testing their gaps and been taking liquidity. So my target was equal lows, but for some reason it just went up, probably because of it's like more stable. It's like a Bitcoin. But at least like gold has value, in my opinion. You can just throw like tomatoes, like, or like shit, but Bitcoin is like fully like speculated. I love like cryptocurrency, not gonna lie. Like it's a great like product. It's but still, gold has like real value, like in my opinion. You can use it like in satellites. You can use it in electronics, like in all like as I said, you have plenty of like stuff where you can use gold, and supply for gold like extremely limited. That's why it's like precious metal. For BTC, okay, what do you wanna use it for? For like transfer money, okay, but you can refund it. It has price not like stable. Yeah, like you're talking about like US like currency, etc. It's like not stable, but it won't go like up and down like 5% a day, like 20% a day. No, it won't go like this. Like the XI goes like 0.1%, like 0.2%, like sometimes like 1-2%. Okay, it's in a huge with a huge volatility. Like 3%. Yeah, you can see 4% on the pandemic. So whatever. But it won't go like crazy like like Bitcoin, like minus 20% within like one candle. It won't go like this. Let's go back to gold. As you can see here, like, we have like a two options where we can go. So obviously we will go like higher. Like first target will be it's based on like Fibonacci, minus 0.5 and minus 1 and minus 1.5 is like the target for gold. But in my opinion, so we'll go to 2.4, like around this, in near 2.5, because it will be like psychological level. You have to like look at the gold a bit closely. Have like shit on liquidity as DPS like marked, right? As DPS marked. We have like previous daily low, but also like previous weekly high and etc. What you can do, just like set alarm, don't like enter like any position and wait for reversal. You have to see, I'm a bearish here, by the way. You have to like see what will happen. If you will see something like this, then you will enter like long position. If you won't see like market shift, don't enter anything. Just wait. You have to wait, otherwise like you will be destroyed completely. But most likely gold will test 0.5 zone, 10.5 zone. Right here, this one, and also like breaker here, like everything. And then we'll like reverse and we'll keep going higher. It will be like slow bleeding, like this. If not, it will reverse, and as DPS like showed like right here, we'll keep going higher. I have the same target as he does, something like this. Okay, yeah, indexes. We will check like Nasdaq. That's it. Like topped in my opinion, but it's like topped like every fucking time. We'll see where it will go. Alright. We already have market shift here. I want to see like how the market will open. If it open like this, and we'll keep going further. Okay, I will wait and won't trade it. If it start like go up as a normal reaction, I will start like shorting it with a target this lows or even lower. But if you open it on 3 days like time frame, it has to have a correction till 16k at least, so it will be like a first target. On like if in short term, if we open like 4 hours, have a market shift. Do we have like any zone here? Yes, we have this fair value gap on 4 hours. What do we have higher? Basically nothing except previous weekly high. Let's jump between. Also, don't forget about this order block. And you see you have like this fair value gap, order block, fair value gap, order block everywhere. So it's already like obvious we have a downtrend here. But we have also this huge fair value gap probably on daily. It's been tested. It's been tested here. I'll mark it like this. Yeah. So probably we'll have like some reaction here, like something like this, and we'll keep going lower. If not, if we will have market shift on low time frame, it will keep going higher with some reaction out of this order block and out of this order block, and it will break out like higher, something like this. But it might be right here as well if you check it like a range, but the extremely ugly one. Extremely ugly one. Anyway, let's check like some stocks. Yeah, it's a topped. It's a topped already. We'll probably have to short it, but break on market structure will be on a daily time frame. Will be here. So we'll set alert. Microsoft have to wait. On Apple, I'm in range on Apple, as you can see. I marked this range. We had deviation here. Next, it's been shorting Google here. Played out perfectly. Cryptocurrency has like better price action than this shit. Jesus Christ. Nvidia like overpriced, like in my opinion. It has like earnings soon in May, so we'll probably might have a correction on Nvidia. So if you wanna trade it, I can do something like this, 1 to 7, or like wait for beta entry, because I don't like when liquidity builds like this. And we in a small range, by the way. So what I would have do here, I've been trading like stock for a long time. I would just like wait for deviation right here and short it till this gap. This one will be a really nice setup. We probably will have like drop like this and then pump. So you can trade something like this as well if you see like reverse on low time frame, 1 to 5. So I have like 2 trades. This is like high win rate setups. Yeah, I will probably like even like take 1 or 2. Yeah, that's why I like the setup. The setups that I will trade probably. Okay, let's go to like meta. Meta. It's already downtrend on meta. Target will be this gap. But oh my god, this yeah. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Shorten meta. It's a possible setup. Netflix is equal highs. I want it to be taken. Still, like we have uptrend here. What do I have on the left side? Oh fuck. Yeah, we also have this like fair value gap on the meta, on Netflix, so it might like go up to test it and then it'll go down. So what better to do here? Just set an alarm. Next one. First target is this. It's already like took all-time high. Yeah, it will go down, obviously. It already broke structure on low time frame. Then what we have Oracle. I don't fucking understand what is going on here. Earnings, okay, they have dividends on, so most likely you shouldn't short it. By the way, like look at this like setup that I'm marking. So on high time frames you just like wait for major liquidity that's been like taken, such as like on SRM, right? And then we have like break of market structure with fair value gap. Probably it will go up to fill this gap and then will go down. So most likely this will happen, but I don't want to wait. So like this one is fine too. When market will open, I probably will do, but will open just like short position. Otherwise, it just like will tank. MasterCard, all-time high as always. I don't want to trade it. We have a bad history. The biggest loss like for me it was on Walmart. Just fuck my like stop like 3 times, and then like went down to my target. So it was like market shift like 3 times on high time frame. After this, like I never like traded it anymore. PG nothing, Ginny nothing, Pepsi nothing, Nike nothing, Light nothing, JP Morgan nothing. Oh, I did like some analysis. Nothing. US oil. What would the next target can be like for US oil? Around like 85 probably. Around 85. Weekly nothing here, 3 days nothing, daily nothing. It's because of like reports that demand will be high for oil. Plus with all like this politician stuff, my stopped trading oil. The price action is not great, this one, as you can see. This is not clean. Like when you open euro, especially like an hour, like 4 hours, right? This is clean. Let's open oil. I just don't understand how you want to trade this one. I stopped trading oil right here. When you see like price action like this, you just like stop trading it. You just like stop. You don't need to trade this, as I said. You just don't. It's better like to like stay aside, stay away from this kind of stuff. Anyway, that's it for tonight. It was 33 minute stream, so not bad, not bad. So guys, if you want to join our Discord server, feel free to do it. Link in the chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. And have a nice trading week. Bye.